Okay, we have a Hankook hollow spindle CNC engine lathe, model PROTEC-9NC, serial number 43E09505. This machine was new in 2012 and we are running it. Machine has 37.4-inch swing by 157-inch centers with a 9.875-inch hole through the spindle. You have double chucks, 2 3-jaw bison trucks, front and back, 24.5-inch. You have a diplomatic turret. And your main thing here is it's a Hankook 21 ITB control with FANUC motors and drives in the equipped in the machine. Right now we're running in the low range, 35. You have up to 205 in the low range. It's variable. In the high range, the machine does go up to 630. We'll show you that in a moment. 75 in the low range. 100 RPM in the low. You have hardened and ground bedways. We're changing gears to the high. Made the gear change. Machine also does have 3 steady rests. 2 of them are 10-inch capacity and 1 larger 18-inch capacity. All 3 of them are roller. That's 75 in the high range. Going up. 150. 250 RPM. All right, let's see the control. All right, it's indexing the turret. 8-position diplomatic turret. He's running the Z-axis. And your X. Okay, you've seen the X and the Z, you've seen the turret index, you saw the chucks running the high and the low gear, and there are your steady rests. Okay, the machine also does come with a chip conveyor. Hey, 35 horsepower. Thank you for watching our video.